Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store in Sony Xperia 10V. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find any game like Call of Duty, there's an icon for it, but if we click on it nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and head on to the settings. Enter family, select parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or select apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK, increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save those settings afterwards. Now if you go back, your games should be available right here and you can either play or download them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.